Fiona, what sort of things do you plant at home in the garden?
We plant frangipanies and we also plant lots of trees. One's kind of stripy.
So you help mum and dad in the garden all the time? Yeah, what sort of jobs do you help them with?
I help them a lot of the time with weeding and watering the garden. That's what I did last week at home.
It's important for families to spend time in the garden.
So they don't have to pay for food and they can grow veggies and fruit.
Have you been planting in your school garden?
We've been planting flowers, strawberries, some tomatoes.
So how does the water get into the watering can for you guys?
It goes onto the roof and then goes down the downpipe and then goes into the tank and then goes into the